In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore user access in Confluence. This can be a handy skill, especially when managing a team, as it ensures that everyone has the necessary permissions to work effectively. So, let's get started right from your Confluence homepage. First, you're going to want to head over to your Confluence homepage. This is where you can find all your spaces, pages, and access any administrative functions if you have the right permissions. Now, on this homepage, let's navigate to the top right corner of your screen. There, you will notice a gear icon. Yes, that's right. We're looking for the gear icon because this is a common symbol for settings in many applications, and Confluence is no different. Once you've located the gear icon, go ahead and give it a click. Doing this will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Among these options, you are looking for User Management. You'll see it listed there. Click on User Management to proceed. Just a quick note, if you don't see it, make sure that your permissions allow you to access user settings, as only certain roles within Confluence can manage user access. Now that you're in the User Management section, you're going to see a list of users within your Confluence instance. Here's where you can search for the specific user whom you wish to restore access to. You can either scroll through the list or use any search feature provided to quickly locate the user's name. With the user's name found, take a look towards the right of the screen where you should see 3 dots next to their name. In digital interfaces, these 3 dots often indicate more options, and that's exactly the case here. Click on these 3 dots to see a menu of additional actions you can take regarding this user. From the options that appear, you want to select Restore Access. This is the crucial step because up to this point, the user has been restricted. By clicking Restore Access, you are enabling them back into your Confluence environment, allowing them to engage with the pages and spaces as intended. And there you have it. You've successfully restored a user's access. It's a straightforward process, but knowing exactly where to click and what to select makes all the difference in handling access issues smoothly and efficiently in Confluence. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more questions about Confluence, or if there's something else you'd like to learn, please let me know. Thanks for following along, and happy collaborating on Confluence.